Are you sounding rude without knowing it? Many people speak correct English but still sound rude. Watch this video. You will learn to turn simple English into natural polite English in minutes. In countries like US, Canada, politeness is very important. If you say things directly, people feel very uncomfortable and rude. Let's give an example. If you say, "Give me water," it sounds so rude. If you say, "Could you please give me some water?" it sounds so polite. When we are asking for some help, we say, "Help me." This sounds like an order. It can feel rude. If you say, "Could you help me please?" Could you makes it a request, not a comment. Plus, please adds softness and respect too. Next point, when we are asking for something, we can say, "Give me your pen." It sounds demanding. You are telling, not asking. So, we can say, "May I borrow your pen?" May I sounds asking permission. It sounds very polite. Borrow sounds you will return it. Next point, interrupting. When we are talking about interrupting, we can say, "Listen." But listen sounds very aggressive or rude. So we can say, "Excuse me." It is very soft way to get attention. It shows respect. Next point, making request. When we are talking about making requests, we can say, "Open the door." But it sounds like an order. So we can say it very politely. "Could you please open the door?" Could you sounds polite request. And when we use please, it makes the sentence sound more gentle. Next point, talking to boss or teacher. When we are talking to boss, we generally say, "I want leave." It sounds demanding and also grammatically incorrect. So we can say politely, "I would like to take a day off, please." Using of "I would like" here sounds softer than "I want," and it sounds professional and respectful. Also, next and last point, at a restaurant. When we go to any restaurant, we generally say, "Bring water." It sounds like you are ordering someone. We can say it more politely. "Could I have some water, please?" "Could I have" sounds very polite way to request someone. I hope you now understand how to say things politely instead of speaking directly. Some golden rules for politeness. First, use polite words. Always say please, thank you, sorry. Second, don't sound like an order. Avoid direct comments. Third, use could, would, may. Makes you sound respectful. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe my channel for more such English tips and comment polite if you learned something today. Bye.